worthy. Rain still, stone can't hurt me. Been ballin'. And that nigga pussy knew a nigga from New York. And he was a sissy. Bitch,
What's good, YouTube? It's the Carboys back here with another legendary video. Don't mind my mouth is kind of swollen because my wisdom teeth got my mouth fucked up right now, so don't worry about that. But thank y'all for tuning in to another video. You know, it's another lit video today. We're gonna be working on the charger that we picked up. We still rebuilding it. We got some parts in, but not all the parts are here yet. So just stick with me until we get all the parts in. But we have got some parts in, so we're gonna go ahead and start the rebuild process. So before we get into that, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video, because your boys dropping straight bangers. You know we lit, you know we working, and yeah, we on the way up, man. We on the way out of here, man. Let's get it. So enough of me talking. Let me go ahead and flip this camera around, show you guys what I've been working on, show you what parts I've got in for the charger, and tell you guys what parts what parts I'm still waiting on for the charger and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this camera around and let you guys see what I've been working on so far. So let's get it. So I have started breaking everything down. So far I have got most of the stuff off of the old bumper, because I do have a new bumper already in, but I've got most of the stuff off of the old bumper to replace onto the new bumper, because this bumper had it's cracked on that side. As I showed in the last video, it's cracked on that side, and it's all man. You could really fix this bumper with like heat and stuff like that, but I'm not finna do all that. It's too much plastic and stuff like that. So we just went on ahead and got another one. Today I'm gonna be pulling the crash bar, because you gotta pull it before you take it off, and I need to pull it so I can be able to get access to bolts, because the bolts are like bent backwards. As you can see how it's pushed like that, the bolts are bent backwards, so I'm gonna have to pull it so I can get access to those 4 bolts on each side, so I can go ahead and take the crash bar off, and we'll have the crash bar off. Then we went ahead and ordered top radiator support, so that should be in this week sometime. We're going to change that out, because that's going to have to be changed out to make the hood latch right, because as you can see, it's pushed back, so when the hood drops, it doesn't latch at all. So we had to get a new one of these, and plus it's cracked right here too, so we had to get another one. So order that in, it's coming in. If any of y'all know what this is, can y'all tell me? I don't know what this is. This wire right here, like, it's not the main headlight wire, because that wire is in here somewhere. This is the main headlight wire right here. This is, I think this is side marker. Yeah, this is side marker right here. So I don't know what this one is, because it's not on the other side, so I have no clue what that is. You guys know, let me know. See, main wire, and then you have your and there's no other wire coming off of this, and then you have your LED light thing, side marker. Got the new hood in, because as you guys can see on this one, that's how that happened. I think we're gonna need a new hood hinge on this side too, because you can see, oh yeah, replace this fender, as you guys can see. Look at it. I still gotta pull this out well, it only does that, it starts to touch once the hood goes down, because look, I think the hood is bad on this, so once the hood goes down, this fender starts to touch right here. But I'm gonna move the fender again, so it'll have a better gapping right here, so it won't be as tight. That's because the gap supposed to look like how it is right here. You see how it's like, not that it's not almost touching, but once you get up here, it's almost touching. So I'm gonna have to do some more work right here, pull this fender out a little bit more, so it won't look like it's touching right there, because I'm gonna go on the other side and show you guys what it looks like on the other side. This is the gap on the other side. You see I got a lot of pulling to do, because that shit is pretty close on the other side. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and pull that. Right here we have the hood, brand new hood. We're gonna have to be painted and stuff like that. And I didn't know this hood was gonna come with the latch already installed. I thought you had to install latches once you buy a new hood, but the latches are already installed. I'm pretty greatly appreciated about that. And then up here we have the front bumper, as you guys as I told you guys before. I had went on ahead and started working on the front bumper, so you can see stuff is already on it, like the grill. And yeah, so enough of me talking. I'm gonna set this up for a time lapse, And I'm gonna go ahead and start working on some stuff today to let you guys see. I'm gonna start working on that fender, getting that gap right. Probably put some more stuff in that bumper, like grill pieces and stuff. Go ahead and put that in that bumper so I have the bumper completely finished. And yeah, man. Oh yeah, and up here we have a grill, but ordered the wrong grill. This is for a scat pack, so I'm gonna have to send that back. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start working on this, get this fender pulled out so the gap won't be so tight. And yeah, let's get it, man. So you guys, it's been a little minute, and as you can see, what does that crash bar look like? The crash bar has definitely been pulled out. I still got a little bit more pulling to do, as you can see from this side. I still have to do. Don't worry about this. This is just the whole radiator top support is undone right now because it has to get replaced. So don't worry about that. But right here, I still have to pull it some more, but we got it damn near goddamn almost perfect. I just got to get that side back pulled a little bit more. But yeah, I pulled that out, got that back straight, and yeah. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna go in through the interior. Got the new airbag in. I also have the it's over here. I also have the driver foot airbag in here as well. So I'm gonna have to install this once I get to it. But here it is. Feet airbag, knee airbag, whatever you want to call it, for the driver's side. And as I showed y'all in the last clip, got the fender on. And I think since I pulled the front end, I think the hood closes without touching this fender. Oh no, I still touched it, because it's like touching on this fender right here. So I'm gonna have to pull it and shit, because once it touches this fender, it makes the fender go back into the door. And yeah, I'm still gonna have to redo this, like move this fender around, because it's not in the right area. Not in the right area, because as you guys can see, as I said in the last clip, how it was this close right here. But that's all we've got done so far on the charger. Just stay tuned for the next update video. It should be damn near complete, so just stay tuned for the next update video. The charger should be basically complete. But if you like this, if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video, because you know we are dropping bangers. You don't want to miss out on nothing we uploading, because we're dropping straight bangers. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications, and to be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the bumper. Got most of the grills in the bumper. Hold on, let me go from the front. That's the old one, destroyed one. But we got most of the grills in the bumper now, so look at that. But yeah, man, we about to go ahead and finish this up. Appreciate y'all for watching, and make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the post notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Majay out. Peace.